Good morning. We are here at ITH, Incredible Tiny Homes, with Cindy on her 10 by 20, and we're going to tour that today. That's very exciting. Now, you are Cindy, and where are you originally from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania?
Originally Philadelphia. I've been
Okay.
living out in Susquehanna County though for
Okay.
21 years.
And how long have you been here?
I'm only here, like I've come back and forth.
Okay.
I bought the house in February.
Okay.
I never saw it until June.
Okay. And you've loved it ever since?
I do love it.
It's beautiful. I
Thank
love
you.
the color on the outside.
Yeah, they, I guess that's that Sicken stain.
Yes.
Not
They use
sure.
that a lot. They do recommend that a lot.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And that was part of my package.
Okay.
So
Okay.
they did that for me.
Okay. Well, let's go inside and see what you got.
Okay.
Alrighty.
This wasn't here last time I was here, all this dirt. I don't know what they dug up. And this is a temporary lot. So
Right.
not very pretty.
Oh, it is so incredibly cute.
To go along with the incredible thing.
Yeah, exactly. It's beautiful.
I like it a lot.
Well, tell me about what you did in here.
Okay, I did pay one of the guys to come over and stain it.
Okay.
And I had those shelves made up in.
That is beautiful.
That's from a guy up in, he sells stuff from a flea market.
Okay.
Now in Binghamton, New York.
So
I'm
that's
right
a
on the
live
border
edge
of New York.
then.
It's a live edge.
Yes.
I think it's, I forget, hemlock.
Okay.
So it's that one, this one,
Oh, beautiful.
and this one here. I asked him
Okay.
if he could make it so it would go down like that.
Oh, that is awesome.
And so he found the piece of wood, and then he added a few
Oh my
inches on the
goodness,
back.
yes.
Yeah.
That is beautiful.
It works. It works great.
Absolutely.
And I've been planning to have a tiny house for many years.
Okay.
So I've been buying things
Yes.
and Facebook Marketplace and
Yes.
thrift stores. I found these, like
Oh,
only the one
those
big
metal
one,
brackets, those are beautiful.
and then the smaller ones, and I got them for like $5 a piece.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, who doesn't love Marketplace?
Yes. Yeah, it's great.
Yes, absolutely.
And these shelves, I think the 3 of them, he didn't charge very much.
Oh, they're beautiful.
think
I love the live edge.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So now, when you said you looked into going tiny, how long did you search and then decide eventually?
Oh,
to
I
just-
was watching all the tiny house
Yes.
TV shows
Yes.
and everything, and I thought,
Exactly.
wow, that is so cool. And then I think I discovered Randy in 2017,
Okay.
16 or 17.
Okay.
And some friends of mine and I came down for one of the jams,
Okay.
probably the last one before COVID. So I think it was
Oh, okay.
19. And anyway, I knew I wanted one.
Right.
And I had my plans in my head. I was
Yes.
going to design my own.
Yes.
But then I was missing out on all the offers as they were coming along because my husband's not on board.
Okay.
And then, this came up and I just figured, you know what? I don't want to miss out. And
Yes.
I had the cash. My brother had died and
Okay.
I had the
Okay. The
the money
opportunity
from that.
opened up. Right.
And so I was able to pay for it, so it was out of my pocket.
Right.
And I figured, I'm doing
It
this.
was time.
And it was a good package,
Right.
including the mountain lot.
Exactly.
But
Oh.
now, just different issues and,
Okay.
my husband's health
Yes.
and my health is,
Oh.
like I just had my hip replaced
Oh,
last
my
year.
goodness, Right.
But I mean, I'm doing fine.
Right. Right.
But he's not on board, so he doesn't come down here with me all the time.
Okay.
So I often am leaving him and coming down here, and then I feel like, you can almost hear Lucille in the back, you picked a fine time to leave me, and I feel like, oh, like even coming down here yesterday, I've been talking about it for weeks. The house is being moved next week.
Yes. Yes.
So anyway, but
so
he's
now you're
still,
moving from
yeah,
this spot to
Pennsylvania.
You're taking it back. Okay.
Yeah.
So is it going to be on a lot there where your husband is, or how?
We have 25 acres.
Okay, gotcha. Okay.
So I chose a spot that overlooks our creek,
Okay.
and it's back behind the house. So it's, you know, my son and his friend and my husband.
Yeah.
My husband works a tractor still really well,
Okay,
even
okay.
though, you know,
Yeah.
so he just doesn't get around as well as
Okay.
he used to. But anyway.
So would he live here with you, or this will still be like just your little getaway on your
No,
property?
this will be my getaway.
Okay.
Like I said, it's my sanctuary.
Yeah.
I feel very peaceful here.
Absolutely.
And
Yes.
I really like it a lot.
Absolutely.
And I didn't even plan on having a TV. I got that for him.
Okay. Well, hey, we
You
got to
know,
make the
so-
men happy.
Yeah. So I have that, and
Okay.
like I haven't even plugged it in,
Okay.
you know, since I've been here. And yeah, when I got the little antenna, all I could get, and he was real disappointing. So I put that
Aw.
up, and all I could get was public broadcasting.
Okay.
So I said about the most action
Right,
drama
exactly.
you would get was a lion taking down an elk or
Okay,
something.
there you go. There you
know,
go.
whatever they are, not elk.
Okay.
There's something over there. But anyway,
So is this your main?
That was this
Is this where you have? You
I
have an
sleep up
upstairs.
there.
Okay, so this is your main living room,
yes.
and
And
oh,
this
your cute
folds
little
into a
bear.
queen bed.
Yes, that's
The
so
bear-
for company.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The bear actually covers my vacuum cleaner.
Oh, hey, listen.
It's one of them sticks.
When you go tiny, you have to be creative sometimes. I understand that. You've got a beautiful chair here, and the vines on the curtains is such a cute touch. I love
you.
that. I love that. And then
Okay.
you have a storage here.
Yeah, my son built this.
That is so cool.
So I have the coffee bar
Oh,
down
nice.
here.
Okay.
And my electric is behind that. So this shelf could come out, but it's really not necessary.
Right.
I can open the box without
Okay.
it.
Okay.
And my other son built this back when he was in high school. So this
That
is
is-
tea, this is coffee,
Absolutely.
and whatever else I can shove
Yep.
in
There
there.
you go.
Yeah.
So then your kitchen, you have a store. Is that storage under your kitchen? Under your refrigerator right there?
Yes, my son did that for
That
me
is so
too.
nice.
Yeah, because I wanted it raised up. I wanted
Okay.
these. And yeah, that's jam packed.
Nice.
In fact, the leftover stain from in here
Yeah.
is under there,
Okay.
so I can do some touching up or whatever.
And you have the same configuration of storage that I have, which I find to be
It's fine.
plenty. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't feel like I'm lacking in storage. These are beautiful.
Thank you.
Those are so
I wanted.
nice.
I didn't want something to reach out and grab me.
Right. Well, I did the
And,
same thing.
Yeah, so I like these.
Exactly.
And my son also did this for me.
Oh, that's beautiful.
And these tiles, my brother had them in his house. He had planned on putting them on his wall.
That is
And
beautiful.
like I said, you know, my brother passed, and so from the
Yes.
estate, I was able to
Absolutely.
pay for this.
Aw,
So then
yeah.
the things that I grabbed from his house,
Oh, that's nice. So
Yeah.
there's little touches everywhere
Yeah.
that you brought from home and or from family members
Yeah.
that and made it your own. That's
Yeah.
that's what we do. That's what we do.
and okay, I got these things over here.
That's nice.
This is Amazon.
Oh, look at that! Where you can do your parchment, your foil, and your plastic, and your
Yeah,
gallon
and then
bag.
all these bags.
That is so nice.
I like it a
I
lot.
love that.
Oh, and this I like a lot. My son's friend gave me that. I guess I could call him a friend of the family. But anyhow, that's for laundry.
Isn't that the coolest thing? Very nice.
I love it.
Love it. It's so nice how you put in so many cool touches and utilized every inch of space. Because you do have to get creative.
You have to.
Yeah, and that's the fun
now,
part
this
of it,
was
though.
working. My husband got that working, so I guess my battery must have died.
That's true. That could
because
be.
this was working perfectly.
He's so cute.
Yeah, actually, I might have done that because I realized that my calendar was still in August.
Oh, okay.
So maybe I just hit it and knocked it off. I don't know.
You had to catch up.
Yes.
It's October.
Yes. And that's all my my brochures for appliances and things like that.
So that is just a placemat.
2 placemats.
And you cut the placemat in half.
No, it's 2 placemats. The
Okay.
one for the background, and then the other one I cut in. Yeah.
That
in half.
is absolutely the coolest thing ever.
It works.
Oh, it's
But I think
I
I'm going
love
to
it.
put like a plastic sheet. And you can see where my dog started chewing on the one.
Well, you know, that's what
Yeah.
dogs do.
So, but there
That
are.
is a cool idea. I love that.
Yeah.
Love it. Okay, I'm going to try to move out of this
Bathroom.
right
Oh,
here.
you're good.
Okay.
Oh,
Go
my
this way.
goodness. Look at, Alyssa, look at this.
Oh,
Is that the coolest
cute.
thing? That's just made from a jean skirt then.
Yeah. And I
Oh.
went to the thrift store and I got that.
Honestly?
I got the belt and yeah.
And then more of your blue tiles.
Yep. If you lift the skirt, I have a box under there and that has some
Oh,
things
sorry.
in it.
Oh, I think that was laying right there. That is the coolest thing I
Yeah,
think I've
it
ever
works.
seen. Honestly, you
I
are
got-
so creative.
Well, that I stole from somebody.
Well,
like
you
the
know,
idea.
that's
Yeah.
what these videos
Creative
are about.
thieves.
Yeah, exactly. And the basket over here for a bunch of stuff, Alyssa. And then there's baskets on the walls. She has the same storage I have. Aren't those great from Walmart?
They are, but my son's going to make me something.
Yeah.
I bought the canvas baskets, and he's
Okay.
going to build the framework to put
Yeah.
them in there, so that'll come up more and actually be able to hold.
Because
more
I think in one of
clothes.
my videos, somebody was asking me where I got those, and I don't think I said, but those are from Walmart.
Yeah.
My white ones are downstairs, and all my brown ones are are upstairs, and they're great little things, and they're not expensive
Oh, yeah.
at all. Yeah.
Yeah. And then this over here is supposed to be a magazine rack, but I just put little things down in there.
Isn't that the coolest thing?
Yeah.
That is just absolutely creative.
Thank you.
Absolutely. You have done such a good job, Cindy.
Thank you.
I love it. All right. Do you want to go upstairs then?
Okay.
Okay.
How are we doing that?
Let's just have Alyssa go up and, well, here, I'll go.
Okay. You can grab that red cord.
Okay.
That's my railing.
Oh my goodness, this is such a comfy place to be. And you have a big chest up here that is
My son made that for me,
very,
too.
your son is very talented.
He is.
And a bookshelf over there and a bookshelf here
Yeah.
and a
he did
huge
those
comfy
too.
bed. This
It's a
storage
full
has to hold a
size.
lot for you.
It does.
That is awesome. That is so
and
awesome.
I just wanted it bare bones. And that's what he
Right,
built.
yeah, and your little rug here to keep it all comfy cozy. I love it. Yeah, this is so similar to mine. Of course, I love mine. Well,
Now,
you
is
have
yours-
done.
Is yours wood or is yours the?
Mine is my ceiling is wood, and then the walls are stucco.
Okay.
Yeah, but this is beautiful. You have done such a good job.
Oh, and those curtains are from my mother.
Aww.
She passed in 2017.
It's so nice to have
but
those memories.
Some of the things I have, the cow hanging in the bathroom.
Yeah,
That was hers.
you have done such a wonderful
It
job.
holds the bags.
there you go.
Yeah. Now, this is going to have a wood stove over here, so this
Oh,
might have
nice.
to leave.
Yeah.
You know, like certain things you just find are not going to work
Right.
anymore.
Right.
And it's going to have to be there because I have the electric right
Okay.
here.
Okay.
So, but it's only tiny. It's only it's a little pot-belly stove with
Okay.
2 burners, and it stands maybe about that big.
Okay.
24 inches. And my son's going to build me another platform and do stone.
Right.
Yeah. So.
Nice. Oh, it's just lovely. You have done such a good job.
Oh, and
And-
behind the door.
All your little keepsakes that you have from family members and things.
Yeah.
That's nice. Look at all that holds.
I'm surprised by that.
I know.
I did change out the hooks though.
Okay.
On
Yeah.
the back, I just used a paint stirrer.
Oh,
And
okay.
attached that and attached stronger hooks.
Oh, you are
because
so creative.
that wasn't
People are going to
very
get a
good.
lot of ideas from this. It is just absolutely beautiful. Thank
Oh,
you
thank
so
you.
much for letting us tour. I appreciate your time. And
welcome.
Alyssa, are we going to be done here? Or
Yep.
need anything else?
That's
Okay.
everything.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
I will.